My brother, let me give you a big wake-up call. You want to get headbutt? Come to me, bro. I will headbutt you to knock some sense into you. It's not from Islam, bro. Wake up. The Muslims are suffering, Akhi. And we're sitting in the West and we have this freedom of living in the UK where we can speak how we speak. My Akhi, my dear respected brother, my dear respected sister, please understand that you will enter Jannah only through Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam stated this. The companions replied and looked at him, even you, Ya Rasulullah, even though you're the best of creation, even you, he said, even me, I'm going to enter Jannah through Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. So what makes you think that just because you have more knowledge than me, you are hafiz of the Quran, you studied in Middle East for a few years, you come back to the West and you think you're better than everyone else? But yet your character and your behavior and how you move, and you think by putting other people down, let me make it clear to you, bro, you're nothing but a waste man like me. You're nothing but a layman like me. Because a true believer is someone that another Muslim is free from his speech and his hands. That he's not attacked by his speech and his hands. How many of us, we come together, we backbite with one another. Backbite. Akhi, the same brothers you're with, and I've seen it. One brother says to me, Akhi, I'm ready to get married. There's a sister I got in mind. Okay, Allahumma barak. Once your own friends, your own boys are sitting around you, find out who the sister is, wallahi, they find a way to contact her. Goes, even though he's my friend, but this is what he did behind closed doors. This is the type of person he is. This is how he is as my man does weed, my man smokes shisha, my man buns vaping, my man commits zina with other girls till today, but yet he wants to settle down and be married to you. How many men do I know that do this? Love for your brother what you love for yourself does not exist. And if you claim this, then you are a liar. The best way for you to show this is through your actions, bro. Through your etiquette and your manners. Put your differences aside, Akhi. There's people dying for nothing other than La ilaha illallah.